All right, welcome back to News 8 Morning Extra. I know that you may, and I have, tried so many different diet and exercise programs. In fact, every year there's about 1,500 brand new diet books that hit store shelves. So really, which one is the right for you? Which one will you find success with? Well, my next guest has an interesting theory on this. Christine Lucida is the author of The Right Fit Formula. Thanks for coming in.
Hi, Heather. Thanks for having me.
So you sort of divided people into 4 personality categories, and within your personality category, that may help you find the right diet for yourself.
That's exactly right, because our different personalities, we all live in different worlds and have different realities, and our traits really dictate our behavior. So it's really important, and in the book, The Right Fit Formula, I discuss what is your right fit for living healthy and living strong, which I combine mindfulness, which is the ability to embrace the now.
Okay.
And then I combine ACT, which is acceptance and commitment therapy, which helps you really focus on your deepest values. And then I extended the DISC personality assessment, which is the gold standard in personality profiling, to
come up with all this entire formula. Okay, so let's get into this. Let's start with the personality. Who's the leader? First of all, who is a leader? What's their traits?
So their traits are they're direct, they're fast-paced, they want the bullet points of everything. They're the big picture thinkers, and they're never going to spend a lot of time on any small details, including their food plates. So
something easy, grab and go, like healthy chips, carrot sticks, easy to make sandwich.
You got it. Everything pre-cut and single serving size. Also with their workouts, they're very powerful and strong, so they want individualized sports, nothing group for this type of personality.
Okay, so now the socializer.
Yes, pretty is productive to this mindset, right? This is my people person, and so all of their plates are Instagram worthy.
Yes.
And they have a lot of good influences, and they can't wait to share it. And same with their workouts. They really want to have group workouts and anything that's fun and spirited and connected to themselves.
Kind of gets them together with their friends, so that's the socializer. Okay,
exactly.
The supporter who's over here.
Yes.
Who's the support? What's that personality type?
The supporter, now they are the tried and true. They want reliable. They're very routine, and they go for things that are familiar. So their food plates, they really cook in bulk. They're thinking about the whole family. And the same thing for their exercise. Again, they want tried and true, so they're going for things like yoga and boot camp, anything that's on the way to pick up their kids to school or doesn't veer them from their routine too much at all.
Okay, good to know. Okay, last but not least.
Last but not least is the planner. These are my analytical thinkers. They're really energized by stats and numbers, and they love to journal. They love to weigh their foods. They like anything that measures science. And you can see how different it is. If a leader tried to follow a plan that was meant for a planner, they're going to fail tremendously,
right?
Because it's completely out of alignment to who they are. So they like precision and control. Pilates are great workouts for them. Anything where they can track results.
I love that. Okay, so I actually went on your website and took your personality test.
What are you?
And before I even got started, I thought, okay, for sure I'm a socializer, but I also like to plan. I came out a supporter.
Excellent.
I'm a supporter, according to your website. So that means I would kind of like to follow routine, and I like things like just status quo, but I am exactly what you said as far as I want to do the workout that's on the way to the pickup kids, and like if I could do sit-ups at a red light, I would do that to try to pack something in.
I love it, and that's it. All of the realities are so different for each of these personality types, and once you learn to honor and work with who you are, it makes it so much easier to be successful.
Okay, so where do folks go not only to find the book, but to take that personality quiz?
They can go to my website, christinelucida.com. Right at the top, you will find the personality quiz, and you can take it. It takes about 1 minute.
Like no time. I did it during commercial break, folks.
I love it. I love it. Good job. And then you can find the book at Amazon or at Barnes & Noble.
Fantastic.
Yes.
All right, a new way to diet, and we are trying to get ourselves in shape because, you know, and although no sunshine today, Angie, sun in summer is right around the corner.
Right around.
And you know what, Heather? That's so funny because I know that I'm a natural-born leader. That's totally my personality as far as like big stuff. Get to the point. I don't want to know all the nitty-gritty. I'm married to a planner. So, you know, it's really hard because he wants everything structured. So when he tells me to like jot down my calories and enter it into the Fitness Pal, I don't want to do that.
No,
I don't like doing tedious things.
You want the carrot sticks.
Get to the point.
You want the carrot sticks and the tuna.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Just make it simple. All right.
Lunch is served.
I'm so glad she got to summarize all that for us. Now I've figured myself out. Thanks.